Assalamu alaikum, I'm Aisha and you're watching Samaa News. Here are today's headlines. Russian President Vladimir Putin has warned that any US decision to supply Ukraine with Tomahawk missiles would destroy Moscow's relations with Washington. Putin's threat follows reports that Washington is weighing Kyiv's request for long-range missiles capable of striking inside Russia. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has lashed out at Western allies for what he called a zero-real reaction to Russia's latest wave of missile and drone strikes. At least 5 people were killed as Moscow targeted energy and gas sites across several regions overnight as the war nears its 4th winter. Pope Leo has urged all sides to commit to peace in Gaza, expressing hope that the ongoing negotiations will soon deliver the desired results. During his Sunday Angelus prayer, the pontiff called for a lasting ceasefire, the release of hostages, and an end to the senseless conflict. Syria is voting for its first post-Assad parliament. Electoral college members are choosing new lawmakers as President Ahmed al-Sharaa works to consolidate power after toppling Bashar al-Assad last year. The UK will give police new powers to limit repeat protests after a pro-Palestinian rally went ahead despite calls to cancel it. Officers will be able to assess the overall impact on local communities. A US judge has blocked President Trump from deploying 200 National Guard troops to Portland, pending a legal challenge. The ruling is a setback for his plan to send troops to cities over local objections. Lithuania's Vilnius airport has reopened after balloon sightings forced hours-long flight suspensions and diversions, affecting thousands of travellers. Similar airspace disruptions have recently hit Copenhagen and Munich airports. Nearly 1,000 people are trapped on the Tibetan side of Mount Everest after a blizzard blocked access roads. The area, located at an altitude of over 4,900 metres, is being cleared by rescue teams working to remove heavy snow. Bitcoin has hit a new record high, soaring above $125,000. The cryptocurrency rose nearly 3%, boosted by US regulations and strong investor demand. That's all for now. For more updates, visit www.samaa.tv. Thank you for watching Samaa News.